Hi everyone, Big Brentus here, and today I travel to Thailand on the cheap, and I will show you some of my hacks to save you $100 as pretty much as soon as you land at the airport. So stay tuned for that. So glad you can join me as I make poor decisions because I'm poor, and poor decisions because I'm an idiot. Anyway, I hope you have fun, enjoy the journey, it'll be cool. So here are the 3 tips to save $100 as soon as you land at Suvarnabhumi Bangkok Airport. Now, number 1 is SIM card. Now, with a SIM card, I will get a 30-day SIM card. So it's the whole month, unlimited data. Okay, unlimited data, phone calls. Now, these days there's 2 carriers, AIS and DTAC TrueMove. DTAC and TrueMove move together, so now there's only 2. Okay, so they're both the same except AIS, unlimited data for the whole month, and unlimited phone calls to ASI numbers. But if you get the DTAC TrueMove, unlimited data for the 30 days plus unlimited phone calls to any number. So guess which one I picked? Now when you land at the airport, there's plenty of booths, and it's what's called a tourist SIM for 30 days, and it will cost you 1,200 baht or 60 Australian dollars. However, if you pre-order the SIM card from your home country, you get it for 800 baht, which is $40. You just saved $20, like that. So what you do is you get online, you pre-order the SIM card, they give you a voucher, they call it a voucher, but it's like a QR code. When you land at the airport, you need to go to level 2, which is where you've landed, because that's international arrivals, and you look for exit number 7. Next to exit number 7 is the DTAC TrueMove booth, and there you will show them the voucher, they will scan it, you've already paid your 800, and you get exactly the same as everyone else who's paying 1,200. You save 400 baht, which is $20 straight away. Okay, tip number 2 is money exchange. So this is the trick. Get your money out at your home country. I'm just going to talk for the Australians. So go to the ATM, pull out your money. In my case, I pulled out 800 bucks. It was a lot of money for me, by the way, because I'm poor. You travel to the airport, you get there and you go and exchange the money. If you exchange on level 4, 3, 2 or 1, you're getting ripped off. You're scammed, okay? The exchange rate the other day was 19.1 baht per Australian dollar, okay? 19.12, sorry. And then what you do is you go down to the very, very bottom, basement, and that's where the railway station is for the air rail link, okay? So you go all the way down to B, look for the train station, and to the left of the train station, right down the back in the dark, is 2 exchange booths, Super Rich and Happy Rich. Both of those were paying 21.1. Now that's 2 baht per dollar. 2 baht per dollar changed $800. That's 1,600 baht, which is around 80 Australian dollars saved just like that. The only effort involved is you've got to go right down the bottom, and boom, you saved 80 bucks. Well, I saved $80. For you rich people out there that are, you know, going to exchange 1,500, you're laughing. Yeah, okay. Tip number 3, to save money as soon as you land at Suvarnabhumi. This one may not apply to everyone, but if you're going to travel from Suvarnabhumi to the airport at Don Mueang, you can try to catch a normal taxi, you can catch a grab, you can catch a bus, you can do what I've done before, which is catch a multitude of trains. It's not that simple. Or, some of you may not know, there's a free bus. Now, the deal with the free bus is you must have an outgoing flight either the same day or the day after, okay? As long as you've got that and you've got your ID card, it's completely free bus. So, what you need to do, level number 2, that's where you arrived. Anyway, you've already gone downstairs, got your money. Come back up to level 2, look for exit number 3, okay? You went to exit 7 for your SIM card. You go to exit 3, you walk out of the terminal, turn right, there's a man with a desk and piece of paper. Show him your passport, show him your ongoing flight for that day or the next day, and you'll hop on the bus. It's free, it goes straight to the airport. It takes about an hour, it depends on traffic, usually an hour, and you're there. So what I did this trip, I had a very early flight the next morning. So what I did was I came into Suvarnabhumi, did my thing, got the bus to Don Mueang, and then went to my hotel that was near Don Mueang because I had a 6:55 a.m. flight from Don Mueang to Buriram. So I just saved a good $40 on taxi fare, maybe more, just by doing that little trick. Hope you like it. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video and I hope I saved you some cash. That would be really good. Thanks very much for watching. You want to do the subscribe thing, up to you. You want to do the like if it's good, do a like. If you just leave it. If you don't like it, make sure you do a thumbs down, up to you. Thanks very much again for watching. Next episode in Buriram. Happy birthday to me. Cool.
Into the flood again. Same old trip it was back then. So I made a big mistake. Try to see it once more.
Okay, back in Buriram. Awesome, 23 degrees, overcast. First time I've been to Buriram without sweating my balls off.